Welcome to this comfort-infused all-brick ranch home. The layout and consistent maintenance make this one an outstanding choice. Numerous updates in the last 5 years gives peace of mind for years of carefree service. 2014 saw bathroom updates, carpet, painting, new vanities and flooring. 2015 replacements included hot water heater, dishwasher, refrigerator, light fixtures, and the crawl space was re-insulated and had new visqueen installed. The furnace and air conditioner were replaced in 2016 and utilities average a low $120 per month. Just this year, a complete tear-off and roof replacement, new gutters, downspouts, aluminum window wraps plus an attic fan were added. This quiet neighborhood is so conveniently located to shopping, schools, directly to Highway 20 and